and let's get this started. Welcome hunters. Are you ready for Monday? So let's get ready to hunt as always, guys. For the live streaming, a lot of people waiting to hunt. So first off, we're gonna talk about AMC because the price is going up, guys, and we break the resistance for AMC, and we have a lot of stock that was exploded before in the last live streaming. So we're gonna talk about those as well. We're gonna talk about the game plan for Monday and the next week, and what we gonna expect for the prices for a lot of stocks. Okay, Goku is first. Here's Goku. Welcome, brother. Yeah, you coming in, charging up, like you coming in, what's good, and let's go to Zoom. We're gonna cover Zoom, of course. Yes. Let's wait for the people to come in. Plus the like button, guys, on the way in. Don't forget. We have 2 likes and 10 viewers, so we have to make it even, okay? So 10 views with 2 likes is not even yet. Okay. Yes, Bradley is here. Welcome, Bradley. CS. Of course, what happened to SPRT? We're gonna cover it, of course. Tell me, guys, what did you hunt for today? How's your portfolio looking? Anybody hunted CEI? It's exploding, guys. It's still exploding. Yeah, we have a bit of technical difficulty. Sorry, Sam. Yeah, we said 7 p.m., but it's 8 p.m. We have a lot of technical difficulty, so we started around the 8. Let's rock! Yes, Marwan, looking for entry for CEI. Solomon, welcome. CSS, waiting for MAT, of course. Oh, Jonathan, you went all in? You're crazy, man. Of course, Marwan, there's a pullback. We're gonna hunt it down. We're gonna talk about it right now, okay? So, first off, let's see what's going on. Okay, wait a second. Let me first, let's talk about AMC, guys, and then we're gonna go to Zoom as Goku because he's the first he come here. So let's see AMC because we talked about in last streaming, and guess what happened, guys, to AMC? Yes, we exploded from the 48 and right now charging up toward the 52.32, guys. It's really crazy because we have just 2 hours to close by today, and the 52.32, if we close above it today, man, would be an explosion happening really soon for AMC toward the 60. As we said, the 60 is the turning point and the next squeeze for the 100, I think, for AMC. If we just go above the 60 this time, this will be a madhouse for AMC again. And for Zoom, as we have a request from Goku. Okay, so we have Zoom here. Okay, for Zoom is kind of good. However, we have a test Goku around the 080, And we said the 080 is really important for us to change the trend. We got rejected, exactly as we said. And now we form the support around the 059, bounce from it, good, still good. This is really important support to hold. However, right now I'm seeing another resistance, okay, around this area 069. If we got rejected here, I'm just telling you guys, it's still downtrending. You see, we're still downtrending. If we confirm this scenario, okay, around this, the 069, before the 080, it means we're still doing higher lows, and this time we're gonna see the 034. So be careful from this one, okay? I will be interested in trading Zoom if we went above the 080 and confirm that we changing the lower momentum or doing higher lows, okay? I will be extra careful. However, the good test here around the 080 to see the $1. And MAT, let me see MAT pretty fast because the price doesn't change a lot. Yes, AMAT still have a really good support around the $4.87, and the resistance still there, guys, is around the $6, $6.30. But this time we have to close around the $6. If we close around the $6 this time, is mean we still uptrending and reversal will happen soon. The turning point for MAT, guys, is the 9, okay? The 9 is the turning point here, guys. This is the price we're gonna see all-time high, even maybe the 20, okay? This is the 9 I would be interested in, the $9.33. However, right now the changing of trend and become momentum will happen when we close a closing candle. We'll see. 4-hour candle will be better, around the $6. Above the $6 will be good. Okay, what we have here? Yeah, Palantir. We'll cover it soon. Okay, so we have Palantir. So guys, if you're new here, what we do on the live streaming, we hunt for the next week. So be prepared for the next week, because there's a stock we're gonna talk about here will explode at Monday. Okay, so we're gonna talk about Palantir, SPRT, the technical price, and the other requested stock from you guys, of course. Okay. I don't know if we cover a SPRT before, but we're gonna check it right now. Palantir, okay, first, and SPRT. Yes, this one. Yeah, I think we cover it because it's still there. So let's take SPRT. Oh man, this one is crazy. This one went until the $60. Right now we have a retracement and pullback until the 1767. Okay, and rejection again around the 2614. This one we covered last live streaming. Yes, we covered last time. Okay, so guys, for this one I will be interested again. If we have the price at least go over the 26 this time, in order to see a test around like the technical level, the 40, okay, or the 39. So this will be a really important turning point around this 26.33 for us. Right now, if we get rejected here and we never get over the 26.33, the price will break the next time the 17 and go to 11. So be careful, really be careful for this one. And the big picture is still the volume is holding up and the small picture is holding up. So the turning point right now is getting above the 26.33. The next profit taking will be around the 39, and if we didn't get over this, we're gonna see a test again for 1767. If we don't hold the 11.35 would be a good pullback buy opportunity for us for this one. And the next one is Palantir. So Palantir still, guys, have the price above this ascending line. We still like have the momentum up. However, we still have the resistance here, guys. So just be careful. We're gonna see a massive test here around the 2740. And the price, I really like this scenario because we've been here above this ascending line. And as I said, any price above this ascending line would be good. And here we've been squeezing between the resistance and the ascending line. Any price go above the 27, we're gonna see a surge in the price until the 30, 35, okay? And any price go above the 30, we're gonna see the 38, or maybe not the 38, but before the 35. So this will be a plausible, like a more realistic price for Palantir pretty soon. So let me just take this off to make it more clear, and take this off as well, so to show you guys what's going on. Okay. Okay. What's going on, guys? Thanks, Lkco, thanks. We heading toward the 10K, guys. I think we have a big milestone, the 10K, guys. The 10K hunters on YouTube would be a really pretty good number, you know, for this year. I don't know if we could actually charge up for the 10K for this year, but everything is possible, I think. Today is the 10th of September, so at least 3 months, give or take. Yeah, 3 months. I don't know if we could do it, guys. 10K, guys, for this before we end this year would be really pretty good. Yes, we already actually did the video, a prepared video for you guys after the live streaming. You can watch for SOS. Yes, it's coming. Joe is coming. 10K is coming. It would be pretty good if we went there for this year. It would be a pretty good number, you know. And we already have 1 million views, guys. This is crazy. Have 1 million. This is really crazy. We just started this year, man. Is on 500 views, guys. We heading toward the 1 million views. This will be a really good milestone as well. Thank you. Like this is just from our hunters, you know, the support from our hunters. Okay. Okay, Angel said we can't hear you. Okay. I don't know. Like I see, like my audio is good. Please, guys, can you confirm? Because right now, Angel Praise said we can't hear you. So please, can you confirm, guys, if you can hear me good? Good question, Jonathan. For AMC, guys, for AMC, the most important thing, there is always selling pressure happening, and there is always short sellers will come when the price go up. So the technical level before the 100, if we actually exploded, and as we said here in the chart, we're gonna see a massive sell-off again, guys. So the technical is you just take a profit, okay? Take a profit around the technical area before 100 because we're gonna see a sell-off. Then you have more money to average down because always we have a sell-off. Always we go back to test the support. So if you don't nice, nice. You can hear me loud and clear. So I think like Angel have a problem with your computer, not mine. Check your backend, okay? Because everybody can hear me good. It mean the problem is with your interface, okay? As we said, for AMC, always take a profit on the technical level that we indicated. I will keep you guys updated about AMC, so don't worry about that. And again, what else we have? We're gonna cover one of stock that we talked about it. Joe, said PSFE. We're gonna cover it right now, and we're gonna cover AEI. Yes, guys, bless the like button and the way in because right now we have 28 views and 12 likes. You see, it's not adding up. There's some people don't like. I can see you guys. Let's go, let's go. So we have two stock right now, PSFE and AEI. So let's get right to it, guys. We come here to hunt, not just talk, okay? Always promise you to go straight to the information and straight to the charts. And this is the second one. Okay, AEI. Some hunter told me is have a juicy taking profit. Yeah, yeah, you're right. Because we're still holding, guys. We're still holding the $2.32. We have a bit of rejection here around the $2.73 before the $3. And as I said, the price will go around this technical area around the $3.38. We're gonna see a massive, massive selling pressure. And if we close in here, we're gonna see even the $4, guys. Around the $4, we're gonna see a test for the price again around the $4.32 and the $3.38. And if we hold the $2, we'll confirm that we still uptrending. So be careful, guys, because after this gap, or be extra careful for this kind of scenario because after gap like this, of course, we're gonna see a price test for this resistance. However, the short sellers is still in control. The downtrend is still in control. We didn't change the trend yet. We have the opportunity to change the trend here. However, we met with the rejection around the $7.25. So we need time, guys. We need time to have the momentum to go up. So that's why we have the technical level here before we have the reverse and trend. Always go back, guys, and see the big picture first to know are we still downtrending or not, because you don't want to go against the trend, okay? And the next one we have BSFE. It's the same. We have a gap here, and we have the price charging up right now, and we have a sell-off today because we have double top here around the $9. As we said, guys, we have a psychological level before the $10. So here we have a great deal of rejection before the $10 for this one. So be careful, guys. This is the bad gap here. Is happening around psychological level before the $10. And for this one, if we have a confirmation for reversal, we need to go until at least at 11. Okay, right now I'm worried because we have double bottom here. We're gonna see the price surging and going even down more. Okay, so I will be extra careful from this one. Yeah, SOS is surging, and but we met with the rejection, guys, for SOS. MAT we talked about in the beginning of the video, so you can watch it later, or you can actually go back and you can actually watch back the video while actually in the live streaming. So if you could do that, cherries. And yeah, CEI we didn't cover it. We're gonna cover it right now. And ROOT, of course. And okay, here. Yes, Guys, look with me what's going on. We said we're gonna see a test for the $1.45 and we see a bit of rejection. Look what's going on, guys. We have a test and the price go up, and right now it's consolidating around our level. Okay, this is a technical level. That's why this is really healthy to see a sell-off or a red candle forming around our resistance. Really healthy, guys, really healthy. And hopefully you saw the video when we said the 0.85 is the resistance and we need the confirmation here. This is consolidation and charging up, and we said that the price would go to $1.45. Okay, in the last week. Hopefully you saw the video. That's why right now we went up, and again right now we're gonna see a consolidation here. Will be perfect scenario like this one. Okay, if we get a consolidation above the $1.45, because right now $1.52. If we see a consolidation, next price $2, guys, $2.23 for CEI for this month. This is my target for this month, or at least for the next few days or weeks. Okay. Bradley, there is always a stock blowing up each day. If you look pretty hard and you have more open-minded view of the stock market, you know, there's a lot of stock that exploding each minute. Okay, that's why we're here, guys. We try to hunt for those stocks. Hunting, it doesn't come easily, guys. You need to be patient. Don't just like jumping from one stock to another, you get burned. Okay, or looking for the golden goose. Just be careful, stay under your strategy. Don't have like greed that you want to have the stock go exploding like 1000%. However, we take our profit around the resistance, re-enter, we will confirm the support, and that's how you make money and never stuck holding bags. This is really important, guys. So we have yeah, Be Big, and what else? Suvi are out. Yes, we have Be Big and Suvi, and wait a second, let me write it down so I never forget. And Suvi, Palm, this one, and yeah, ROOT. We covered this in lately. We did even a video for ROT. We said, guys, is ready to bump again because the price is have the same behavior as the other stock that actually jumped, and we have a target for this one. It will have explosion around the $11.50 if we close in here, because if we go in the big picture, the ascending line will change the trend, because we still have a resistance, massive resistance. Every time we like test this the descending line, we get rejected and go down again, and we still stay in this downtrending market. So for this to change the trend is $11.50. Okay, this is simple as that. Or yeah, $11.50 here, around the $11 or above the 12, if we want to see the price surge until the 15 and the 1984. Yes, and however right now we have a rejection, midway rejection around the $8.46. We did it here after this bounce. You see, we're still respecting this level. We bounced from it 4 times, so this is really good. Right now we have to test again the $8.46 to have a indication for explosion or toward the $11.50. The next one we have Suvi, and for this one, okay, for this one is really interesting. Look, guys, with me. Look. For this one, we have really a bad earning like on 24th of May. Okay, and look what's happened to the price like in the 24th of May. Like we have still the price surge up until the 24th. So this is indication that the price actually movement triggered by people following and news, okay, in Reddit and things like this is not about earning anymore. So a lot of stocks had this kind of scenario. They have bad earnings, but the price action is actually go up at the moment that the earning will come out. Sometimes the earning will correlate with the stock, sometimes it doesn't. So we have to be extra careful with this. That's why I don't solely trading with the fundamental, because not that perfect. Sometimes stocks unrational, so try to control a bit of this unrationality by using our technical analysis and to see the key level where the market maker buy and sell. So this is would be more safer. Okay. For Sophie, we have like price test for the last support around the 13. However, right now the price around the 1550, and the price that will be interesting in for another test for the 20 is around the 1718. Okay, this is really important for Sophie to test and overcome. Important level to test and overcome is this level, the 17, guys, around the 17 and 1750. Here we'll have a massive rejection area and testing area for Sophie, because we went as low as around the 13. This is the last support, as I said, guys, for Sophie to go to, and should be the bottom in order to see a retest for the 20. Okay, really important. Midway resistant, the target is around the 24. The ultimate goal for this year maybe to go until the 24 if we are still holding this bottom around the 13. And the other one we have BBig. Yeah, BBig is still good because we hold above the $9.50. As I said, guys, we have a test this time with this candle confirming that the test for the support right now is around the 11.25, and I will have this target around the 15 at least before the 20. So this will be the next target for like BPIG. If we have explosion for this month, will be around the 15 first, or before the 14 would be 14.50 before the 15. This will be a major price to test before we're gonna go higher. However, the support, even if we get rejected around the 15, we don't want to see a sell-off before below the $9.50. This should be the bottom in order to confirm the uptrend. Yeah, Bradley. Yeah, Bradley. Always have more confirmation. Fundamental, technical, everything you got. If you have even inside news is even perfect. Do whatever to make your like the probability work with you. Okay, it's all about probability data. The more data you have, the more you be in the safe side and you make money. Okay. Yeah, Sensionic and CLVS, and we're gonna talk about AMC again, guys. Okay, let's see what's going on with those. TCAT and what the else? AMC, and the other one, guys, you talked about CLVS. Okay. Oh man, Jonathan, what's going on with you? Why FCEL killing you, man? Jonathan, talk about Wish. What's up with Wish? We're gonna talk about it. Okay, okay. Goku, of course, Goku. If we hit 100, how you think it will drop, then rip back up? It's simply Goku is simply like it almost did it every time. For MAMC, if we hit almost the 100, not the 100, we're gonna see a sell-off. However, if we still confirming that we still doing higher lows, this is, will have a big wick forming like above the 70. So the 70 would be this is kind of the support. If we went until the 95, 98, we're gonna see a massive sell-off, but still holding the and doing higher lows. This is really important to watch out for if we don't break the 70, because the 70 will be the support later on. This is like a big picture view. Okay, guys, let's get right to it. We have those stocks. Let's talk about AMC very quick. Yes, for AMC, you see, still have a struggle around the 52, guys, because we went until the 5160. You see, really technical level right now. Really technical level right now. Really important level to test and explode from. Okay. I will be extra careful, and as I said, this is will be it. If we just go around the 70, we're gonna explode until here, then this will be the support, and the price will charge up again. You see this scenario, because here we have this massive buying pressure, then a selling pressure, and we still holding. We didn't go until there is the support around the 20. However, we bought back. This is a strength kind of way, because we went until the 28 and now surging up again to test the 70 and beyond. Okay, this is a kind of way of the price go up. Let's calculate this one. This is took us like 8 days or 1 week. Yeah, 1 week. 1 week for the price go up, then the price go down, and sell off happened for, you see, like almost 63 days. You see, guys, the bear market is more longer than the bull market. The bull market just ended just 1 week for AMC, and the bear market we've been before we have this change of the trend. Let me take this off and take this off and take this off. You see, the downtrend was for 60 days, almost 2 months, and the uptrend, the big bull market, it was just 1 week. And right now we have the reversal and charging up again. It happened since the August. So right now, 10th of August. So we've been 1 month uptrending up. See, like downtrending is more in control than the uptrending. It's kind of work with gravity, you know. If you go up, you have more gravity work against you. If you go down, it's easier and will take not enough power to go down. So be careful from this kind of like in physics, in reality, in everything. When you go down is easy than going up. Okay, so yeah, the bull market will be end faster than the down market in some stocks. That's triggered by hyped, you know, not simple stock like based on fundamental like Apple and blue chips company. This is will be uptrending for years and decades. Okay, we're talking about like hype stock. Okay, like the price is hyped when it go like 102%, 200%. Doesn't attain this massive power. Okay, it's like rocket when you go build a rocket and go from the to escape the gravity of the Earth. It just lasts for a few minutes, okay? It's not 1 hour, 2 hours, because we can't have this kind of power stored enough in these tanks, you know. So big power, it depleted faster. That's what I try to try to actually show you or inform you from my information. So the next one we have CLVS, or close oncology incorporation. Okay, this one we didn't cover it yet, but we're gonna cover it right now. Hi Nicole, you got it today. We can see Nicole, she is here. She always bring the best stocks. She really good hunters. She's one of the elite hunters that could hunt really good stocks. So what you bring us today? Do you have some stock that you hunted for the last week? Hi Michael, my friend from Netherlands. What's you know what, Michael? I don't eat croissant or usually once a month or something like this, because here in France the dessert and it's so delicious, you know. So if you start eating it like daily, you're gonna make like a lot of fat, you know, all around your body. So I'm doing sports, so I can't actually eat sugar. I'm cutting on sugar, okay? Just only dark chocolate without sugar. So I'm not allowed to eat French desserts and pastry, you know? Even though I like them, you know? Just for occasion, for cheat meal day. So Nicole said I sold my 47 call options for 400 with AMC. Okay, Nicole, we cover ROT. Lucid, we didn't cover it. CLSK, and of course AMC. Okay, AMC is actually charging up. We talked about it, Nicole. You can check the video again. ROT we covered as well. We're gonna cover Lucid and CLSK, SK, of course. And okay, we're gonna cover any and AHPI before we're gonna go for the stock for Nicole. Yes, rock on, my brother Michael. Man, Michael, you know what? For working out, you know what's happened for me is right now is automatic. Is hard burned in my genes, you know. So if I slept without working out, something like a trigger in my body is like I can't sleep. I have to do workout in some way, like stretching, do anything. You know, if not, I will feel sick or uncomfortable. It's like breathing air. You can't forget. It's automatic. It's like involuntary muscle would work automatically. So doing gym and sport as well, the same is automatic. I don't think about it. I wake up in the gym doing like curls, you know, doing like push-ups. I wake up, it's like, how the hell like, how did I arrive in the gym? Of course, global accounting, we're gonna cover CMI, of course. TCAT, we cover at CS, we cover TCAT in a bit. John AVPT, we're gonna cover it, of course. Yeah, Bradley, keep your body active, because your body works with your mind, you know. The more you work out, you be more better trader, because you have Health is the number one, okay? You can't trade if you're sick. Uh, G13, you know why people eating automatically? Because eating is kind of feeling comfortable, you know? So people just escaping from something bad in their life is like comfort food. That's why it's called comfort. Watching Netflix, watching movie, people just want to get comfortable doing something automatic but is negative. So you have everybody have something like really bad doing. Even for me, I have some things, you know. I'm not perfect. So I'm trying to replace them with good things, you know, good habits. So you have to see what's you're doing wrong and try to change it. Yes, of course. Okay, let's see what's going on. For yeah, for any, let's take any for double A01 and Bola Shan AHPI 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 up up and the other one, this one, any. Okay, let's go for AHPI. Okay, we covered this before, and yeah, we have that like the target price around the 16.30, and we said the next target is the top target around the 26. However, we met with rejection before around the 16.30. We didn't hold the 11.47. Right now we testing the last support for the $8, guys. So I'll be extra careful right now because I don't like this scenario because we have a bit of gap here around the 8th of 7th of September. Okay, we have a bit of gap in intraday, and this price is actually going down, so I will be extra careful right now. If we downtrend again, I will be extra careful because we have a price target again will gravitate around the $5. Okay, the $5 above the $5 will be the target, or the $6 around the $6 will be another price hold up for AHPI, because if we just close below, because here look with me what's happening, we have almost 1 2 3 4 candle, small candle closing below the $8, so this is not good. We saw right now $7.84. I'll be extra careful right now because this is will be kind of worrying sign after we have this gap here. Okay, so I will be extra careful because the price might go down below because the volume is dropping. Yeah, in smaller picture and big picture, the volume is dropping. So yeah, this one will be the next target will be around the $6, and we'll see a bit of hold up around the $6 for this one, because right now it's $7.84 for any. Okay, for any, yeah, right now we have a bit of support around the $7.52. We didn't hold the support before, however right now we have the last chance that we're gonna hold above this support to confirm that we're gonna see the price go at least around the $8. Okay, uh, like here we're gonna see a massive test around the $8.69. We're gonna see a big wick. Okay, if we just hold that for this week and for the next week, if we hold above the $6.50, will be really nice to see this bounce until the $8.66. At least for the $8.66, here we're gonna see a rejection again. However, right now I will be extra careful. If we just close again below the $6.50, that means we're gonna see the price go down around the $4.47. Okay, let's take Nicola stocks. We have Lucid that we didn't cover and CLSK. Okay, then we're gonna cover the other stocks that we have requested. So as we said, TCAT we covered it before, and the other one. Guys, we try to not over cover the stock that we cover. Okay, so we covered the stock that we didn't cover, so we could take all the requests from you guys. Okay, it's not good to revisit the stock that we talked about, and will be like not time manageable, and it's not good to do the stock twice or third times. Okay, so it's to save time, and at the same time we cover more stocks for you guys. Okay, let's see what's going on for this. Okay, for Nicole, let's see what's happening for Lucid for Nicole, because she has bought Lucid and this stock CLSK. Yes, like French people say, voila. Okay, for CLSK, I don't like this because right now we have confirming that we have rejection here around 1517, because here we got rejected. Right now we got rejected below the 1517, and if we have the prices still don't go above the 15, will eventually get us around the $7.24, the massive important support. For this one, guys, if you didn't buy this one, I will put just notification around the $7.25 would be perfect buying pressure here around the $7.25 if we don't close above. Okay, because here we got double rejection. However, we're still holding the kind of last support around this area, the 13, okay, or the 1276. So if we just close candle here, simple as that, guys. If we just close candle here, 1249, closing candle, okay, even 1 hour candle, it means the price will go around the $7.24. If we hold it, we're gonna see a test again for 1517, and closing above is mean we're gonna see at least around the 1813 before the 20. Okay, 1817 or 1820. Hopefully that was informative, Nicole. And what we have, glove. Yeah, it's been a while last time. CEMI jumped with Biden's speech. So what's happened with the speech? I didn't hear it. Did you watch the speech with Biden? And why actually CMI jumped with it? If you watch it, please let us know, and let us. If you heard the speech, let us give us some information what was all about. Okay, let's see CMI and what's going on. No problem, Nicole. Happy to help. Okay, we're gonna talk about Apple, of course, in a bit, after we see CMI. Yeah, we covered CMI before. We have the last time here around last month. Yeah, this is the the last try for CMI to have explosion. We got rejected precisely near our rejection area, the $7.70. However, right now the price is meeting with rejection because we have the price went and do the lowest price, and we have some kind of confirming a trend forming right now, and we doing some kind of uptrend right now. Okay, this is a good kind of, if we hold this ascending line, and we have this kind of triangle forming here. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Okay, this is good, this is good. So right now, if we hold this scenario and this triangle and hold above this line of ascending line, and we confirm above the $3 again here, we can see the price test this time again the $4. So this is will be another test for the $4 happening really soon for CMI. If we don't and we see the price go below the $2 here, 20 would be a sign of weakness, and the price will surge down really down for CMI and to try to find another support. So I will be extra careful. We have earning coming up, and still the estimate is negative, and 21 of September is around like 11 days from now. Last earning was in negative, and the other one it was positive, so it's not consistent, you see. However, I will be extra careful from this one for the test. If we have like respected this ascending line, we're gonna see the test for the $4 pretty soon. Doing good, doing good. Access maintenance 200. Doing good, thank you. Of course, Ron. Of course, Lkco coming up right now, and glove. Of course, we're gonna cover it right now. Yes, G13. What a crazy day we live in right now. Really crazy times. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of squeeze happening for a lot of stocks. Exactly. This unprecedented times for the stock market, guys. Okay, let's see Apple and see if there is a dip coming up so we could actually capitalize on it. And Glove and Lkco. Okay, let's put Apple and Glove and Lkco. So Lkco is still, guys, as we said, for Lkco to change the trend, the downtrend, and we see a buying pressure happening is the $1.87. However, we see a rejection, as we said, around this area where we meet the descending line and ascending line. That's why we said the price should hold above. However, here we have a rejection and not confirming. And again, let me just take this off, and right now the price is around testing the support before the $1.45 or the resistance. Right now we'll be confirming. If we get rejected again here, the price will go again to test around the $1.23 and going around the technical level that we spoke about around the $1.11. Okay, and will be above the $1. This will be the support that Lkco actually strive for to go to test, because we still rejected the last time we talked about it and warned you guys about the massive selling pressure after this run up. It happened, I don't know, around the end of 25th of June, as we said in summer, the end of like the 6th, 26th of June. Okay, that's where we warned you guys, and we said we're gonna see a selling pressure for Lkco. That's why it's been trending right now and still trending down. However, right now we should have this scenario hold up here and consolidate before we're gonna go up again, because when we have a downtrending market, we like usually we have to charge up and we be like in a midway price until we see and find the buying pressure and the interest from them and the investors in order to have the momentum to go up again. Okay, for glove, okay, for glove, kind of I like the pattern here. We see a bit of charging up for the volume, and you see this for glove is more big drop than Lkco. You see, have a massive drop than for Lkco. Right now we met with the last support for glove. That's why we see interest and buying pressure happening, because we are near the support. Here the support is $7, and the price right now hit with the rejection around the $10.47. Important life, important resistance, guys. This is really important resistance right now. The $10.40 or the $10.50. Okay, this is really important level for glove. However, right now I see the resistance actually forming around this area, around the $11. Okay, so here for glove, really important for glove to have a bit of hold up above the $9. Right now we have the $8.80 after this rejection around the 11.17. So be extra careful, because the price might go lower this time around like almost the $6.70. Okay, so this is really important for glove. So for glove, the volume is still going up. If we still holding here this level of support around the $8.40, yeah, the $8.40 would be a good support if we hold it in order to see a charging up for the price. I'll be extra careful for this one as well. And the next buying pressure and exploding for glove will be the midway resistance around this area. We're gonna test it, the $9.65. Okay, here it supports. We're gonna see a bounce happening pretty soon if we just hold this one in order to test around the $9.65 again for glove. For Apple, guys, for Apple we have a dip. We have a dip for Apple, as we said in the live streaming. The price surging and going up. However, right now the price going again around the $1.44. This is a really important support. And let me check for this one. Okay, let's try to make this trend more obvious, because we have a bit of trend here and we have a big trend again. We have two ascending line for Apple actually. The big short for Apple, like if we have a big sell-off, would be perfect if we bounce here around the 138. I will put notification, guys. Okay, first the big buying pressure, I will buy a lot of I put a lot of positions For Apple, if we hit around the $1.37 or $1.30, yeah, around $1.40 or $1.38, this would be good. The next buying pressure, or the first one to be exact, if we hold this ascending line that we draw, will be good around this technical area, because here we're gonna see a buying pressure every time we have a bounce from this level. Would be a perfect again buying pressure to happen here, okay, and go above again to see even maybe to the 200. So if you feel FOMO, you can actually buy around this technical area. However, if we don't hold here in this technical area between $1.47 $1.44, is mean we're gonna gravitate here, okay, to bounce here. This will be a really nice dip to buy at Apple. Bradley, 34 watching and 29 likes right now, not 2 likes. Yeah, but it's not even still. Yeah, we have, guys, just like in the way in, guys, to kick the algorithm butt. Thank you for the information, Global. So Biden at the vaccine resistant in America announcing policy require most federal employees to get COVID-19 vaccination and pushing large employers to have their workers included or tested weekly. Wow, this is massive, guys. This is big news. Uh, okay, okay. Okay, yeah. For which glove we covered, and Naf Deep Gresha. We already cover SPRT. You can actually watch it when we like finish the live streaming. You can actually watch again, or you can watch it right now if you want. Go back. There's a possibility you can go back and rewatch what we did. And Rabas, he want Fami. We're gonna cover it. We try to cover it. Okay, so let's see what's going on with Fami. And yeah, for naked is crazy. We already covered, guys, naked. We did the video like on our channel. You can check it out after the live streaming. Boom. Okay, thank you for bringing this up, because right now we testing our resistance, the 0.55, as we indicated before, because last time we covered FAMI, it was here and we got rejected and we don't respected our ascending line. Right now we have the price surging again, testing the resisting around the 0.55. Right now 0.56. So right now we're gonna see the price surging around the 0.77 this time, okay? If we hold the 0.55 and we didn't reject it like the last time, that because we went as low as the 0.31. So this one I will have like a price like target around this area, the 0.77. Important level, guys, to watch out for. Okay, and the next one, Wish. Yeah, we're gonna cover Wish and this one, of course. Try to cover all the requests, guys. So okay, just give me time, guys, because we have a lot of requests from you guys. You can check our Patreon, guys, where we hunt for exact price value for you, pre-market update and analysis for your favorite stock, the stock that we can actually cover on YouTube. We can cover it on Patreon. So join us, guys. And you can find the link even easier here at our live chat on the top. So you can like we pinned the comments where you can find the link for Patreon. Okay. Asmat, thank you, brother. CIDM is slowly climbing. Double A01. Okay, this is really intriguing. We're gonna look out for that. Naked $230 until end year mega squeeze. Okay, this is a big price target. Why 230, not 200? This is a big number, okay? Yeah, this is a massive squeeze. Okay, we're gonna see Moderna. Or, yeah, we can see Moderna in a bit. CS, did I miss TCAT? Yes, we already covered it. But you didn't miss it, okay? Everybody, every stock that we cover is already there. So the live streaming will be uploaded on my channel so you can rewatch it. And if you want to watch right now and check your stock, you can go back and playback. There's a playback options, for the live streaming. Asmat, yeah, APLS and Wish. Yeah, we're gonna cover it right now and see what's happening. Moderna and CEDM. Yes, Wish. Oh yeah, Wish still have a rejection, guys, after the gap that we did here on the 11th of August. We still have a struggle to overcome the $7.67. However, we have a really conjunction area happening here, so I would be extra careful right now from this because we have 1, 2, 3 rejection area for the $7.67. So the next price test for this and closing above, we're gonna see the price surge until the $8, guys. The $8 is the target, and let's see this ascending line where will take us if we go in the big picture. Yeah, if we explode it, we're gonna see like the price go as high on this area around the $9. However, before the $9, we have to overcome the midway target and the reverse of a trend around the $8.76. And the other one is EXPR. Okay, this is one is healthy, okay? We have like before we have a not good earning like in the last year. However, in the beginning this year in March, we have a really nice earning coming up. Every time we have a good earning. Last time we have a really nice earning at the 25th of August, and we're still holding this up the ascending line, okay? and we have a rejection around the $8.63, and we broke the support around the $5.95. Not good. However, we still have like a little support. Let me check. Here we have a bit of support, guys, happening around this area, around boom boom boom. We tested, I think, above the $5. So the $5 is the last support in order to not see in this scenario to go until the $4.35. However, if we don't hold the $5, we're gonna take time to reach the $8 because we have to reload around this technical area. Okay, this means the price will have a jump when we go around the $4, guys. The $4.30 would be a perfect price to jump from. Okay, and test the $5.95 because right now is the rejection area or the resistance area. Wall Street Bet founder said naked will be the next CME. Okay, Asmat, just know this. Just know this. When people said this thing will be the next or this thing will blow up, will most often than not will not happen. Okay? Usually the big squeeze and things like this happen without people notice. Okay, if you say something will be the next Apple, most often than not will be not. You should be like AMC or something, which should be special. Okay, have a special aurora or something. And if you want to make a double or a next AMC, will be a bit harder. Okay, for thousands of stocks, there's just one AMC and one like kind of mentality of group of people that hold and this is not unprecedented, you know. So it's harder to have like a resemblance of like AMC or something like will have the same effect and hold the squeeze like what happened to AMC. So this is will be a bit of speculation, you know. APLS. Okay, APLS. Let's see this one. Wow, what's going on, guys? What's going on with this one? Okay, we have this one. We don't have any news about this one. APLS. Okay, no, not the same. Leverage share. No, 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 no. APLS. Yeah, this one. Yeah, we have some news going on. Okay. Okay, and food for first drug. Smith is still about right in the so is you see like when you have some stock is relying on news and they have a bump line, you know, unfortunately like they have weren't strong enough to be considered statistically significant. So you see they have they're waiting for approval for it's the first drug. You see what's happening, guys? Here we have the scene, like some information going, some news that they actually starting forming some new drugs and some potential to heal some rare disease. And guess what? The drug doesn't meet the expectation. And guess what? The price jumped down from the 67 till the 28 is almost half, guys, almost half percent or 50% down, guys. This is really risky. You see, if you're trading the news and you expect the price will go up because they have a new pipeline or new drug forming, expect the price will go down in just a heartbeat. And you can control yourself because the markets go down. Even if you bought stop loss limit, will never be triggered. So be careful, guys. You can make a lot of money, but you can lose as well. For this one, right now went down till the support area. Around this area, I will expect the price will go even lower, okay? I will expect it to go until the 17. Yeah, we have a really strong support around 17 because we went until the 27. So from the 27 is a bit of support here right now, but the lowest price and the most important price after this massive sell-off, we might see the price go until 17. So I will buy if we see the 17.50, 17.15 will be a good price to buy at because it will be discounted the price. And again, this resistance is here, okay? We're gonna see the price test and rejected here around the 42.52. Azmat, I didn't say about naked. Okay, sorry for misunderstanding. Okay, okay, okay. When the merger will happen, the Mush? Okay. Yeah, for GameStop, guys, we hit with rejection around the 219. So it will go down if we never go above. So because the 219 is the squeeze area. Aha. M-Dog. Yeah, we forget about Marine, yeah. Guys, try to write the ticker symbol right because one of you write Marine but with M-I-R-N, not M-R-I-N. So yeah, please make it simple for me because we have a lot of stocks to cover. Big dip down, guys. So this Marine, we have a support still holding above the $5.90. So we're still holding. We need to hold this support in order to test the $8.67. If we don't, we're gonna see a price going down until the $4.39. So be careful from this one. Okay, thanks for the information. So for naked, we'll have like a pre-explosion period after this news because usually before the news always we have like momentum happening. Okay, let's see CIDM. Yes, you're right. However, right now for CIDM, we have a massive test right now, guys. This is crazy. Around the $2.30 is the massive test for it. Okay, this is crazy what's going on. If we exploded from this, the $2, guys, we're gonna see a massive buying pressure and going until at least the $3.20. For this one will be a massive squeeze for us if we don't get rejected here. However, if we get rejected, we're gonna see a support around this area. Around the $1.66 will be the support if we get rejected here. And we have a really good earning for CIDM at the 14th of July, and the next one, last one, around the 2nd of September. That's why the price is surging up. No problem. We all make mistakes, okay? So this is always happen. John. Okay, we're gonna go pretty quick for AVPT, okay? Because you said please, so we'll get over it pretty soon and fast because, okay. Okay, for this one, I will be extra careful because the $10.50 is a massive rejection and we're still doing lower lows. And for the volume is doing good. The volume is good. We have interest for the market maker right now and doing higher lows. However, I will be extra careful because the resistance is near and we have a support is near as well. If we hold the $9.38 would be safe for us. That will make the $8.44 is the last support or the bottom. If we hold the $9.38, even if we get rejected here, we're gonna see this price and going high at least until the $12.35. Okay, this is really important to hold the $9.38 in order to go up. Right now is $9.98. So be careful because it's still downtrending. So if we want to confirm that we make this our bottom, we need to hold above the $9.38. First test will be around the $11.44. Then the extending price will be around the $12.50. Goku, about glove, you said if it is good buy or not. A really good question. However, for glove right now is we're still testing the support, and yeah, it would be a good buy if we just hold the $8.60. Would be a good buy because we have a really good volume right now. And smaller picture we have a dropping in volume and big picture still holding. However, if we confirm that we're still holding for a good volume to and good buying pressure, if we hold the $8.60 right now, $8.70, so we're really near to test this level. So I will be extra careful from this one. If we bounce from this one, it would be really nice to test the 11 and the 13 again and beyond. Okay, we need to form and confirm that this was the bottom around the $7.50. That what we did it on 19th of August. Okay. Let's see something. Okay. Okay, for Apple, let's see. Yeah, still downtrending. For Apple, still downtrending. Yes. Let's see what's happening here. For glove, how high will go? Really good question, because for glove it can go until the 1690. Okay, this is the perfect buying pressure that will happen, and we trigger the sell-off. Here will be a big selling pressure will happen. However, right now is $8.70. We're getting closer as we speak around our support, the $8.60. Okay, guys, this is it. Hopefully, you have your question answered. And again, as I said, join us in the pre-market update and analysis of your stock at our Patreon. If you want to join, the link in the comment section and as well in the chat. And as we said, we have even Discord channel and one-on-one meeting with me to discuss your portfolio and build the strategy for you. So hopefully that was informative, and be ready to hunt for the next week for the exact price target for the next Monday. So that's why we here always each week we hunt for exact price value for a lot of stocks. So always hit the notification at your brokerage at your phone, so you never miss those prices, and always execute when the price hit those price. So this is the one thing that you should do to cut your emotion kind of trading. Hit the notification at your brokerage, your phone is ringing, get in, buy, and another notification when it hit the profit, you get out. That's it, guys. Simple as that. So see you guys in the next live streaming, as I said, and thank you for the support. The 500 half a million or 500k views, because of you guys we get there. Hopefully we get for the 10k subscribers on YouTube. We're almost there, we're all halfway. Hopefully we get this in this year. Big milestone. Thank you for you as well, and see you in the next update. Hopefully have a nice weekend, and see you guys.